Do you want to learn how to use your Mac computer most efficiently? Or have you switched from Windows to a Mac computer recently and are still getting used to that? Hi, my name is Kashif and I am teaching around 5,000 students on Udemy. I have helped a lot of people to master the Mac operating system, and their Mac user experiences have improved tremendously. In this course, I will take you from a complete beginner to an expert user of Mac operating system. And soon, you will be browsing through your computer like a breeze. You will discover a lot of cool things built into the Mac operating system that you never knew about before, and that will save you a lot of time and precious money. Yes, money that people spend on buying extra software for their Macs. By the end of this course, you will get a way better experience with your computer, and you will start appreciating the beauty your Mac computer is. We will start with the basics of Mac operating system and move on to topics like Spotlight, Finder, keyboard shortcuts, improving the browser experience, creating a workflow that saves you time and energy, keeping your computer and files organized, customizing the operating system, processing video files, and much more. And you will learn a ton of new tools along the way. The ideal students for this course are beginners and intermediate users of Mac operating system who want to get the most out of their Macs. This course is not for people who are already comfortable with the Mac operating system. Now, I want my students to always feel comfortable while making a purchase. That's why there are multiple preview videos that you can watch absolutely free. I also offer you a 30-day 100% money-back guarantee with no questions asked. So there is nothing to risk and everything to gain. Alright, it's time to take action. So click that enroll button right now and I'll see you in class. Thank you.